Okay, Harbor Freight on their website has a way to leave feedback about all their tools. And they actually have the verified buyer check, which kind of helps. I encourage you to read those because that's going to tell you what's going to happen to this over time. But you really only need to read 2 ratings. You need to read the reviews of people that gave it 1 star. These people are pissed off because they bought this table and they're very disappointed in it. 99.9% of the people that gave it a 1 star took it back. They call it trash, couldn't make it work. Some of them didn't know how to use it. Some of them knew how to use it, knew it was crap, threw it away, whatever. So that's worst case of what's going to happen to this. Then you need to read the people that gave it 3 stars. The people that gave it 3 stars are the most important because guess what? They got the same router table as the 1 stars. They found the problems and they fixed the problems. They kept it and they're using it. Might not be completely happy, but they found a way to use it. Well, that's your biggest source of information right there. You want to know what those people did. The people that give it 5 stars, don't even bother. Half of them bought it, didn't even use it before they reviewed it. If you're blindly happy with something like this, then you're not a serious user. People that's completely happy with it, I don't want to hear from. If I buy it and I'm completely happy, hey, I'll be happy. That's great. But odds are I'm going to be more like the 3s. I'm going to either find a problem and fix it or find a problem and take it back. And to be honest with you, I don't take a lot of tools back to Harbor Freight. I usually find a way to make them work. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.